raindrops hit your face, making rivulets like tears.
Startled and half awake, you heard a dwarf in his dream, tucked beneath its canopy. You can't wait until it clears.
The rain begins to pour. You've never seen a storm like this before. Minutes stretch into hours, into days. As lightning strikes the sky, ablaze, and you
When
must
will the sun come out? When will we be okay? When will our lives return? When will the world be safe? When will the clouds? When will the clouds?
We all spend so much time waiting for the skies to clear. High up in the stratosphere, the clouds block out the stars.
maybe another world. The sunrise chase the storm away. But he knows if the light of day will ever visit us.
It's tempting to see somewhere safe and calm, that the weather will change. But after a while, you start wondering whether this strange time seems to be,
And problems can be solved.
By hiding under trees.
And there's nothing left to do but see through your knees and pray that the storm lets out and the wind dies down and the sun peeks out.
As the clouds give way.